Hello everyone, this question appears in class 8th NCERT chapter of linear equation in one variable. This is first question of its exercise 2.4. So the question says that Amina thinks of a number and subtracts 5 by 2 from it. She multiplies the result by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. What is the number? So let the number be x. So thinks of a number, subtracts 5 by 2 from it, so minus 5 by 2. Then she multiplied the result by 8, so into 8 is equal to now obtained 3 times of same number, so हो जाएगा 3x. इसे सॉल्व कर लेंगे, so हो जाएगा 8x, then 5 by 2 into 8, so 2 से कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा 8 4 टाइम, 4 5 are 20, so minus 20 is equal to 3x. So 8x, 3x को इधर शिफ्ट कर देंगे, so minus 3x, then 20 इधर को इधर शिफ्ट कर देंगे, साइन चेंज हो जाएगा, so plus 20. 8x minus 3x, 5x is equal to 20. So x is equal to 20 by 5 is equal to 4. So the number be 4. Thank you.